Okay, moving on to part B. Blah, 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 blah. Right. Come on. Okay, part B. So, part B, we have what is the bullet change? Sorry, what is the change in each bullet's momentum when it bounces off the tank? So, what we need to do there to find the change in momentum, we need obviously final minus initial. Okay, that's minus sign there. So, the bullet's final momentum is mv, and the initial momentum is mu, and these are vectors now, so these are velocity vectors, not just the speeds we had in part A. So we got to figure out what those are, actually, right? So u is pretty easy, it's just going horizontally, so that is going to be, our u vector is going to be little u, which is our speed. Whoa! How'd that happen? Let's see, let me pinch it. Okay. U times, I don't want that. Okay. U in the I-hat direction. Okay. And then V is going to be V, well, the speed is V, but it's going at an angle of 60 degrees above the negative x-axis, really. So it's 60 degrees like that, which means 120 degrees from the positive x-axis. So V is going to be, let's see, it's going to be negative, the x component is going to be negative, so it's going to be negative V cosine 60 degrees, plus, oh, that's going to be the I-hat direction, sorry, plus V sine 60 degrees in the j-hat direction. And so, let's see, that's going to be, I can also plug in that V equals 0.8 u, so I can get V vector equals negative, and that is 4/5 of u, so let's see, negative 4/5 u, okay, times the cosine of 60 degrees, which is 1/2, okay, in the I-hat direction, plus, and then 4/5 of u for V, times the sine of 60 degrees, which is radical 3/2 in the j-hat direction. So this all comes out to be that vector V is, it's going to be negative, stupid spurious marks. All right, V is going to be negative 4/10, so 2/5 u I-hat plus 2√3/5 u j-hat. Okay, so now we've got to plug this into this momentum change equation here, and we can really just say that's equal to m times v minus u. Okay, so taking this through, this is going to be equal to m times, and so we're going to have, when we have the negative 2/5 u I-hat down here from the v minus the u I-hat here, we're going to get negative 7/5 u I-hat, and then we just have the j-hat part does not get subtracted from, so plus 2 radical 3/5 u j-hat. Okay, and that is our change of momentum. So we know the mass. We know mass is 0.05 kilograms. We know u is 725 meters per second, and so what we get is that change of momentum, total change of momentum is going to be, per bullet, negative 50.8 I-hat, okay, plus 25.1 j-hat with units of kilograms, meters per second. So that there is our answer to part B.